1969 Chevrolet Camaro. This is a Copo Tribute 427 with a 5-speed manual transmission, guys. 12-bolt posi unit in the back with 373 gears. This car has been fully restored. It does have the 427 Holley 4-barrel carb. As you can see, aluminum intake, correct valve covers, upgraded aluminum heads. You got power disc brakes, power steering, upgraded aluminum radiator. Beautiful, beautiful engine compartments. Look at the core support, just how clean everything is. Okay? Easy show winner, guys. The team who restored this car, I highly respect. Do I know who they are? No. But just by looking at everything on this car, argent painted latches, argent painted hinges, latch. Well, that's how it's supposed to be from day one in 1969, guys. So whoever did that, hats off to them. I know what it takes to restore one of these beauties. Underneath, just as clean, guys. Now, if you look at the cowl tag here, this is an X11. Well, what does that mean? Well, you guys can do a little research and figure it out yourself. Body and paint on this car, guys, is very close to a 10. Deep shine, beautiful metal to the car, nice glass trim, weather stripping. Door panels, doors are excellent. Factory pinch welds on the car. No rust, no rot. Rotisserie done. Look at these door jambs. Look at that striker. Look at this. That is beautiful, guys. Look how nice this is. Excellent chrome. Rear taillights are new. Excellent trunk with spare tire, jack assembly. You will be very proud to pull up in a car show with this. This is the first thing that I look at, are all the little crevices, guys. That's what I look at. Look at that. If someone got those areas correct, the rest of the car is going to be correct. Because the hard part is the little areas, the little things. Look at down in there. All new bolts for the subframe. There's your big 427. Let's fire this thing up. Shake, rattle, and roll, baby. Got your Bluetooth radio, your triple gauge package. Sounds like popcorn, baby. Brakes feel really good. Clutch feels great. Trans, no problem. Shifts like butter. Clutch feels great too, guys. Plenty of power in this baby. Very smooth down the road. Stops well too. Very nice temperament on the motor. This is fun. This is why you buy a big block 5-speed manual transmission freaking Camaro. Oh my God. Goosebumps, guys. Man, his phone's shaking everywhere. Oh man. Well, that's the whole part of this thing, guys. Now we're going to put this car through my service department before we ship out the car to you, just to make sure everything functions, okay? So just keep that in mind. So you're going to get an absolutely gorgeous car. So MGM Classic Cars has over 200 vehicles. I own every vehicle, okay? I put my money where my mouth is. I buy nice stuff, go through them, and explain them to you guys correctly. There is no scamming. There is no BS. There's a lot of it going on. Keep that in mind. We are 25 minutes from Chicago O'Hare Airport, and we're 45 minutes from Midway. I welcome everybody to come over and check out the car themselves. Not a problem. I also do these videos to show you guys what the car really is. Okay? If you need financing, not a problem. We have low payments, long-term options for you guys. If you're a 640 to a 740, I would say 780, so 640 to 780, you will need $7,000 down for a down payment. That's all you'll need. Everything else, meaning your sales tax for your states, your delivery charges, can be rolled in to your loan if needed. So we're pulling up to the dealership here. For those of you who with a credit score over 780, 785, I have a no money down option. You guys can check that out. Call or text me with your zip code for delivery. My number is 847-848-1850. And this is going right now to the service department, guys. All right. And I'll take pictures of underneath and post it on the website. Thanks for watching.